Hi dear friends, this is Dr. Anil Soni, dermatocosmetologist and laser surgeon from Genesis Center in Indore. Are you using cosmetics? Of course, everybody uses cosmetics. If you talk about face wash, moisturizing cream, body lotion, body wash, if you talk about nail paints, lipsticks, mascara, eyeliner, foundation, there are so many. Have you ever thought that these contains so many ingredients? As per one study, almost 60 to 80% of females they use 16 to 18 types of cosmetics in a day, and they contain more than 160 ingredients. As per the same study, men they use 6 to 7 cosmetics in a day, and they contain more than 18 to 20 chemicals or ingredients. So the point is, there are many studies they say that many of these ingredients they might be toxic, they might be harmful to your skin as well as your body. If you talk about recent research which is done in India itself, out of the creams available in the market, especially if we are talking about fairness cream, almost 60 to 70% of fairness cream they have shown presence of heavy metal like lead and mercury. The same studies say that the lipstick which is very commonly used by females, they contain heavy metals like nickel and chromium. So these could be the matter of concern because they are toxic, they are carcinogenic, they can produce cancerous effects as well as they can harm your skin from allergic point of view also. So friends, I will be giving you a brief list of items which should be avoided as an ingredient in your cosmetics from dermatology point of view. So stay with us. So among these common ingredients which are present in cosmetics to start with is first is SLS, that is sodium lauryl sulfate, that is present in various types of face washes, body washes, shampoo and foundation preparations. It has tendency to produce irritant contact dermatitis. It can aggravate acne and it can produce various types of cancers also. Second important ingredient is paraben. There are various types of parabens which are used as preservative agents in almost all the cosmetic preparations, including creams, lotions, serums, and other skin preparations. Their role is basically to prevent bacterial growth during storage, and they have tendency to produce various types of skin allergies and allergic reactions. That's why many people they search for paraben free preparations nowadays. Next is butylated hydroxyanisole, that is BHA. This is mainly present in various types of lipsticks, perfumes and eyeshadows. It has carcinogenic tendency, that is cancer producing tendency, and in many of the animal models it has known to produce hormonal disturbances like thyroid disturbances. Now next coming to oxybenzone. Oxybenzone is very commonly used ingredient in various types of sunscreens, and it has been used since last many years, but nowadays we have started seeing many patients who are allergic to this type of chemicals and sensitivity of the skin using after using this oxybenzone. So now advice is to use oxybenzone free sunscreens, that is sunscreens which contain zinc oxide and avobenzones. They are comparatively safer preparations. Next is hydroquinone, which is basically an age old preparation which is being used in various types of fairness creams and lightening creams. Nowadays we have many of the companies they have stopped using it. Still you should be careful while buying any creams because it can produce a disease known as ochronosis. It can produce various types of skin allergies and sensitizations also. This is to be avoided, especially for females who are pregnant and lactating. Formaldehyde is again next
chemical which is very commonly used in various types of nail polishes, eyelash glue, various types of baby shampoos and baby soaps and hair gels. It has its known potential to increase cancers in skin and other body areas. Next is fragrances or perfumes. As you know, this is a compulsory product as far as any cosmetic preparation is concerned, so as to increase its market value. But the point is, these type of fragrances, they can produce various types of allergies like allergic contact dermatitis and irritant contact dermatitis in many patients. Many patients, they have eye allergies as well as the nasal allergy due to these fragrances. Next is polyethylene glycol, that is PEG. They are kind of plastic beads which are used to increase the efficacy of various types of scrubs, body washes and body scrubs. They are also used in various types of makeups and they can produce cancers related to skin. So they should be avoided. Better is to avoid using this type of synthetic beads in your scrub preparations. So friends, after knowing the various types of toxic effects related to these ingredients which are present in cosmetics, I think you should be more careful while choosing your cosmetics in the market. Otherwise, you will be enhancing your beauty at the cost of your health. Best advice is to consult your dermatologist who is an expert in this field, who can prescribe right product for right skin.
I hope you find this video useful as far as safety of cosmetics is concerned. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. We are available on Facebook and Instagram also. Thank you for watching this video.